When a child experiences the juvenile justice system, it can have a significant and lasting impact on their future. This is why New Mexico's Children's Code provides for a program of supervision, care, and rehabilitation. Let's better understand how the juvenile justice system works in New Mexico. When a child is accused of an offense, law enforcement sends a referral to Juvenile Justice Services, which is part of the Children, Youth, and Families Department. A juvenile probation officer, called a JPO, will conduct a preliminary inquiry with the child and their parents. They'll determine whether it's in the best interest of the public and child for CYFD to handle the referral informally or formally. During the preliminary inquiry, the JPO explains the charges, the possible outcomes, the children's rights, and whether they will recommend that a petition be filed. When a referral is handled informally, the child may be monitored, required to keep a curfew, perform community service, attend counseling, and/or participate in a diversion program. Handling a referral informally is an option until a child's third referral, unless the referral alleges the delinquent act committed by the child is a felony-level offense. When a referral is handled formally and a petition is filed, the child is appointed an attorney who represents their expressed interests. Legal representation is both a constitutional right and necessary due to the complex process. After a petition is filed, there are 4 basic ways in which the Children's Court may dispose of a case: time waiver, consent decree, which could entail probation, judgment, or commitment. A time waiver is an informal agreement between the child and the state. It waives the time limits for a trial in anticipation that the petition can be dismissed upon the child successfully completing the agreement. Under a consent decree, the child is placed on probation for 6 to 12 months. If they successfully complete probation, the case is dismissed. If the terms of either are violated, the case will go back to court and may go to trial. When a case is not disposed of by a time waiver or consent decree, it may proceed to a bench trial or a jury trial. If the judgment is not in the child's favor, the judge will enter a disposition of commitment or probation. Let's look at how these cases generally end up. About 70% are handled informally and 30% are handled formally. Under 8% of these cases go to trial, with less than 2% resulting in a commitment to a CYFD secure facility. Navigating the complex juvenile justice system is stressful, and each case results in a different experience for the child. But the New Mexico Children's Code aims to prevent children from facing adult consequences for typical adolescent behavior, as well as provide an opportunity for rehabilitation.